YouTube. And then this is my unboxing of an LED backlit letter illuminated multimedia computer keyboard. That's the front. That's the back, and the back says, "This LED backlit keyboard is the most innovative idea for anyone with extensive computer use. No more eye stress. The clear and sharp contrasted non-glare LED lighted keys will leave the common strain on your eyes. This is the best solution for using computer in dim or dark places. No more keeping the lights on when others want to sleep. Keyboard lets you type away while others sleep peacefully. With numerous additional convenient and comfort features, this is the must-have for everyone with a computer." So yeah, paid like $25 for this, so pretty cheap for a LED keyboard. Manual, which is just one piece of paper. And this is the keyboard, which is smaller than a standard keyboard, actually. Plastic. More plastic, yeah. Kind of small. USB, which most new keyboards are USB now, but yeah. A standard smaller keyboard, which be cool to use. Until next time, YouTube. Take care.